In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge credit cards on Stripe quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Stripe or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the steps in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's get started by diving into your Stripe dashboard. First, you'll want to locate and click on Payment Links. Once you're there, go ahead and select New. This action will allow you to initiate the creation of a new payment link, which is a powerful tool for seamlessly handling transactions. Now, let's talk about selecting your product. You'll need to enter a few key details here, such as the product name and a brief description. You also have the option of adding an image to give your product a visual identity that can help capture your customer's attention. Ensure the name is clear and the description is concise, something that effectively communicates the value of your product. Next, you'll need to decide whether the payment is going to be a one-off transaction or a recurring one. This choice is crucial as it directly impacts how you'll structure your charges. For instance, if you're offering a subscription service, you'll want to select the recurring option. Conversely, for a single purchase product, a one-off payment would suffice. After selecting the type, it will be time to set the amount you wish to charge. Precision is key here, so make sure the amount reflects the cost of your product or service appropriately. With those details squared away, you're now ready to click Add Product. This step essentially locks in your choices, making sure everything is saved correctly in the system. At this point, you have a chance to explore additional options that Stripe offers. These may include configuring any necessary terms, applying discount codes, or even setting up different types of payment methods to cater to your customers' preferences. If any of these options apply to your business model, don't hesitate to include them now. However, if you're confident that everything is set up as you need it, you can move forward by clicking Create Link. This final step will generate a payment link that you can easily share with your customers, either through email, social media, or directly on your website. And just like that, with a simple set of straightforward steps, you'll have successfully created a mechanism for charging credit cards on Stripe. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to charge credit cards on Stripe. By following these steps, you should be able to set up this process quickly and efficiently. Keep practicing and exploring the platform's features to get even more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips.